Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to 13th floor, and we have sweet box.
Yeah, it's £10 from Amazon.
Yeah, and we're going to try it and rate it and be honest as possible. So,
yeah.
Let's crack on.
Let me in.
Yeah.
Right, we've got
Show.
Oh yeah.
So that's. Ooh. Put it.
Shows you what we've got, but I'm not gonna have a look because we want it to be a surprise.
Sneaky cheat sheet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, you pick first.
We'll go with these
That's
Aussie
Carl's.
mode burgers. Oh crap! Hello. There you go. I love that one. There you go.
What the heck?
Is that a biscuit?
They're biscuits.
It's like a biscuit with chocolate, I think.
Oh.
They're like BNBNs.
Da.
Another BNBN.
They're supposed to be little hamburgers.
They're good then.
Go rate them out of 10.
8.
Yeah, like an 8.
So it's like Nutella in the middle.
Yeah,
Chocolate biscuit
it's
with
not
Nutella
the best,
sauce.
but it's pretty good.
Right, next.
It tastes a bit like cheap Nutella.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Did we say where this box was from? Is it just worldwide?
I think it's just international.
Oh, international. We'll just
This?
say international.
I think it's cheese and onion.
Does
But
it say where it's from?
I don't know, it's in a different language though. Oh, from Turkey.
Yeah, we've had these before on the channel, and I didn't like them.
I don't think you've tried them though. Unless you have. I haven't.
I don't think I have either. Would you like some actually nuts? Oh,
No, your nuts will fly everywhere.
I got sin. Oh yeah.
yeah, just put some on the.
They're not nuts.
They're
They're
like
like
little crispy.
Puffs.
Yeah, but weird.
Oh no, that's fucked. That's vile. That's a 3, that. Not even a 3, a 1.
I give that a 1. That's disgusting.
That's why I said last time I didn't like them.
I thought they would be good, but they're not. I don't know why there's peanuts on it either.
That's got peanut taste as well. That's what I mean. That's
Oh.
just nah.
Yeah, it's like a cross between a crisp and a
What's it
peanut.
called? Nut party or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nuts, popcorn kernels, and ball-shaped chips,
So there's different
all
ones.
covered with herb mix, either
Hey,
cheddar,
hold on, there's
onion
different
flavoured,
ones.
or burning hot.
There's nuts in there and stuff.
Well, we'll have this in a minute. Okay.
Like there's different ones.
And that's
There's-
from
there's
Turkey.
nuts and there's
Oh, we're having a nut.
a nut.
I like the nuts. They taste good.
Okay, the nuts aren't that bad. Still are like a 4.
The little puff things are just a no-go.
Yeah.
If it was nuts, it'd be like a 5 because it's just nuts, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've got these. I think these are from Greece. They look. It's like fruity crisps. Ah! Stop
Yeah.
looking at me.
Show the camera. Munchkin will zoom in on the camera anyway, won't you, love?
Yeah.
She likes to do the little zoom ins so everyone can see what we've got. And at the end of the video, give the rating out the whole box. You can buy again.
Got a feeling all these
They're like
are from
free-
Turkey.
They're freeze-dried strawberries.
They smell like just fresh strawberries.
Yeah.
It's space food.
Whoa.
Like
No.
you've tasted space food.
I really like that.
Yeah. They're not cool. I'll give that a 2.
I give that a
You
7.
like strawberries?
Eesh.
Yeah. I don't say it's like a fresh strawberry, but like
No, they don't.
flat.
It tastes like someone's just like sat on it and left it there in the
It reminds me of jam.
jam.
It tastes like jam.
It doesn't taste like very a raspberry mixed with a strawberry.
But if you have a strawberry, you're going to think anything tastes like a jam because it is a strawberry jam, isn't it? So,
Oh yeah.
like even when you eat strawberry, you think it's jam. Yeah, see, yeah, you know. So what did you give that?
A 7.
7?
A 7?
Right.
Huh? Hi.
Latte Carissima.
Sorry, what was that?
What?
That looks
Natty
like a
creamy,
rugby-
yeah?
That looks like turkey or something.
It's made in
Well, Carl's does have the list, so she could tell us where that one's from, love. Can you?
I can't
Turkey.
find what it is.
Oh,
made in Turkey.
made in Turkey.
It
Yeah.
says made in Turkey.
Okay. Is there a biscuit?
I think. What the hell?
Huh?
Oh, it's a big. What's that? It's like a cream
Is
sandwich.
that a marshmallow?
Oh, it is.
Right, cut it in half.
Then
It
there's
is a
4 of us.
Yeah, cut it in half again.
Okay.
We're trying off camera today. I thought we'd let the girls
Right.
have a video.
Oh, it smells like vanilla and coconut.
This best be good.
Best lad. I approve.
What the hell? I don't like coconut.
Oh, is it coconut? Oh, I'll probably like that then.
It's vanilla and coconut, but it's got coconut around the outside.
Oh. Tasty.
I like the marshmallow, but coconut throws it off for me.
The biscuit's a bit like soft, like it's stale or something. It's good though.
What would you rate it?
Tastes like you're eating a cloud. Strange.
When you get past the coconut, I'll give it a 9. But coconut takes it down to like a 7.5.
Yeah, 7.5 I think.
What the hell? Right. Oh, okay.
Huskies. I think they're just wafers with chocolate. Plain normal. We can try it.
The amount of wafers we've had on this channel. Well, I think we've had every single wafer there is available, I swear.
That's that grown me that.
Oh, it's,
Moss.
we haven't had these ones before.
They're
They just
little.
literally just smell like. No.
What?
What is it, the chocolate?
That's really good.
It actually is.
You say shit.
I never swallowed it though.
Uh.
If it was in the fridge, I think it would taste better.
One of the best wafers I had from the boxes.
Tastes like a crepe.
Holy crap.
What'd you give that?
I give that a 9.
A 9. I give it an 8.
She's ate the whole of it. Yeah, lovely.
Oh god, no.
I have no idea what this is.
Oh, these are nice, these are. These are little puff marshmallow cake sort of things. Watch it, it goes everywhere when you open it with the little hundreds and thousands.
Not
Looks
good,
like a
bro.
Teletubby.
Yeah, you can do it.
Wait.
Way. Is the biscuit style?
Let me in. I hope not. Just me.
I don't want to eat this.
You might as well just take a little bite and then pass it on, love. Don't break it, because it's just going to go everywhere.
It just did.
It's like literally crumbling.
Right. That's coconut again.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's probably why I liked it.
So I'll just stale.
I don't know if the
That's not coconut, that's like scatty fruit.
I don't know if just
It's like, they do the little sprinkles. That's banana, that's strawberry, that's chocolate. It's just, it all just doesn't go together.
oh they are fruity.
It's like fruity Tic Tacs on
It's
a
just
little marshmallow thing.
Coconut marshmallow.
Your turn.
Yes.
What is that? Oh god, it's strawberry jam.
Whatever that is.
Who's
think
saved them?
Kexter Stara?
Kexter Street Karaka, Jacob Load Skinner.
Close.
Yeah. Get lost.
Yes. Wow, smells amazing already.
I can't smell anything.
It's like a giant jammy dodger,
Oh wait.
but cake version.
Is that jelly or jam?
Oh, it's just that's just a jelly bit.
Isn't it? It's like a giant jammy dodger, but cake version.
This is just like, smells like the Bunny Bears. The strawberry ones.
That's good. That. I'm gonna get it away because I'll eat it.
Yeah. We need to try.
But I approve.
I don't like sponge or strawberry. I'll give that a 3.
It tastes like a Victoria sponge, just a bit more jelly.
Yeah.
Do you give it a 2?
A 3.
A 3? I give it a 9. It's really nice. Tastes like obviously a cake, but you know.
Right. Now, this one, a little, oh, that's the wrong one. Get rid. This one, a little hubby bar. Yeah. What?
Oh wow. This is gonna be like a. What's that called?
That's like the
groovy? Yeah.
I really like them. Wait, it's got milk in it.
Very approved.
Like a mix between Groovy Biscuit and Budweno.
Yeah, it tastes like. I thought it was a milkshake bar. Is it not a milkshake bar? Because it tastes like vanilla milkshake and chocolate milkshake.
No, it just says it's a biscuit with a milk filling.
Well, it's very nice. Oh, we'll get these out of the way. I think they're just olive biscuit things.
Greta.
Where you going?
Yeah, where are you going?
I'm gonna have a coffin fit. Yeah. I think you're meant to have these with something, but we
We've got
haven't.
hummus in the fridge.
Yeah, no point. Just. Tastes like the bottom of a pizza. Do you know what I mean?
I like pizza.
You like pizza? Yeah, it just tastes like pizza.
I like that.
Mm.
I'm gonna put pizza on it.
What's the score, love?
At 8.5.
8. Wow.
For a cracker.
A 3. That's a 3.
Next.
Is it my go?
Right?
Hey. Oh god.
Do you want to leave the poppy cans till last?
Yeah. That's for ice cream, but whatever. Plain wafer.
We're gonna eat a plain wafer.
Oh,
Okay, we got a wafer.
random. Could be a flavour wafer. It says burger on it.
Ooh, imagine.
Oh, imagine a burger wafer. Oh,
Oh, there's like 2, but
I'm guessing that's why it's called burger wafer.
oh wait,
What's in it?
it's like ice cream.
Hey.
oh, there's stuff in it.
Is it?
I can't smell
marshmallow?
anything. Why does it taste like burger?
That's why it says burger on it, love. Obviously a burger wafer then.
Nah. It's got just my mind because it says burger on it. It tastes like a toasted bun from a
can't-
burger.
Like this. I never got them. Yeesh. Yeah, no. It has like a burger bun taste.
Yeah.
Oh, that's disgusting.
You can tell in your face you don't like it.
Why did
That
you do that?
strawberry didn't taste so good.
What did you rate that one?
That's a 3.
Yeah. In the middle.
Should be only a few items left.
Yeah, it's like 3. Like, yeah. Do them. So I think these are just jelly bears. Should we try each flavour?
Yeah.
Joppo Attacks.
Hey.
That's what it's called, isn't it? Joppo Attack.
Right.
There's only one red one.
No.
You can like break its head.
Pink. So only 3 flavours.
Yo, that's peach. Orange.
That's pineapple.
I got orange.
Oh.
It's a bit like,
I actually really like these.
it tastes like diluted juice.
Is it as nice as our gummy bears?
No.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
I like the green ones. The green ones are good.
So if you're only supposed to try one, love.
I'm having a look seeing if there's any flavours in missed. Like,
I missed that one.
you've not had that one, I've not had this one.
Make sure you save me, Bob. I want to try them.
Oh yeah, that is pineapple. It tastes like pina colada actually.
Yeah, pineapple's proper good. Right, my turn. We're leaving this to allow, so we'll just put that there. Right.
You've got a chocky bar, is it? No.
Crap. It's a crap. I
Oh.
think it's just freeze dried or something, maybe. Made in Turkey. It's a whole box
I
of
think so, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just a Turkish box then. It does say international, but it says Turkey, so
Yeah.
I'm not really sure.
Maybe it's international, but you only get a box from a certain country. So then if you order another one, it's from a different country.
Maybe. Can you not pick the country?
We
No.
should get like a couple boxes of these because it'll be different countries. This is pretty
Well,
good
we'll
actually.
try, yeah. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to go and order one.
the wafers you put in an ice cream.
Just a tenner from
Yeah.
Amazon. I think we've had one of these before. I'm pretty sure I've had one of these. And if I remember rightly, they're not that nice. But I don't like crepes anyway, so
A little bit.
Ooh.
it goes all over the place.
Ugh.
Oh no. Oh.
Why does it taste dusty?
Just, I didn't like that last time.
Tastes
I
like
had it.
someone's grandma's left it in their cupboard for like 5 million years and their grandchild came round. Yeah.
Here's a biscuit.
Yeah. Cremated crepe.
What'd you rate it?
A 1.
And 2. Just because I like the
I
filling.
think I even put minus on
It's
this
just the
one.
outside.
Nah,
Right.
it's the chocolate. It tastes dusty.
I think it's both of them together, to be honest.
Could be
do
just
that.
like cocoa powder. Right, last but not least, popping candy.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure everybody who watches this video knows what popping candy is. Basically, you put it in your mouth and it crackles.
whoa, there's loads in that. It's from Turkey, so this might be good.
Wow.
Tastes good. I mean,
Tastes like bubblegum.
Tastes like the same one I've got in there. But it fizzes more. It's more fizzy.
That's what you hear.
Ow.
It's just going to turn into one of those ASMR videos. What would you rate it then?
That's a 10.
Yeah.
10? What would you rate the whole box?
A 7.
Is it
Yeah.
worth a tenner?
No. 6.55, yeah.
Yeah.
Very precise, 6.55.
Yeah.
But
I mean, if you want the experience, it's worth it, but like, you know.
you're eating all the goods, Soph.
What was the thing you hated the most? That you like probably wouldn't never eat again?
Them things.
Nuts parties.
Damn.
They ain't coming to
Yeah.
the party next time.
I'm not eating that. That was like crusty. No! Damn. They were crusty, dusty,
I would eat
and
them
musty.
again.
Frozen strawberries.
If they were better. A bit. I liked the flavour, but I think it was the texture or something.
What was your best that you ate? That you would like spend a tenner on the box for
These little burgers.
the burgers? Mine's this.
So you just buy them anyway, dear, don't you? Those little burger things.
No, because I get the gummy ones.
Oh,
These
you
are-
get the sweet
These are
version.
biscuits. Yeah, them are good.
Yeah.
We
Well,
need to do a box on them.
we've been 13th floor and we've tried a box from Amazon.
Yeah.
Mine's 2.
Bye.